Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is another dhgate haul. So this is the other part of the item. If you haven't watched my first video, I wanted to do these together, but obviously they arrived at different times. So I did buy some Valentinos. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link above here. Go and watch that one first. And some of my other dhgate, which I will leave linked after this video. And yeah, see all the things that I've actually bought. So yeah, if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. So obviously the second item has arrived from dhgate. It is a handbag which I really wanted. It's a crossbody. So it actually arrived today. It actually arrived yesterday, and obviously it isn't the most expensive. So obviously if you start buying stuff around the £50 mark, they generally come in a box. Do read the reviews. I do mention this in my very first video, but this one is obviously quite cheap. It was only £14.12 and that included delivery as well and any sort of import fees and stuff like that. That was all included, so that is just the one-off price of £14.12. So this is what arrived. It is just a crossbody bag, which is what I wanted. It is really good quality, I've got to say. Obviously it has the sort of Gucci stitching on the front there, which is what I wanted. It's a crossbody. It's got the little tassel, zip opener. They always come as well, apart from the ones in the boxes, they always come as well with a nice little puff sort of padded air thing inside, just to stop it getting squashed in the mail, because it obviously is coming from China. It has got a little pocket inside. It has as well got, I don't know whether you can see that, it's got Gucci on the inside there as well, and the little zip on the inside. Now again, if you was to buy the one at about £50, you would get this in a dust bag. It would probably be leather as well. This one again is the cheapest one. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It comes with a nice crossbody strap. I just wanted to check how long the strap actually was. Because I'm so tall, it looks quite long actually. Because I'm so tall, I wanted to make sure that I could actually wear it as a crossbody, because I find sometimes they are a little bit short and they hang a little bit short underneath the arm. So I'm going to just attach that. Attach it to this side. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's actually perfect. I'm just going to stand up for you actually. So yeah, that is where it sort of sits, which is the perfect place. And obviously it's completely adjustable as well. This is on the sort of longest strap here, but obviously it's got holes along the top there, so you can adjust it. If you're a little bit smaller than me, you can make it a little bit smaller. So yeah, so that is the item. It's sort of a quick video today just to show you the item that had arrived, but I'm really happy with that. Again, it did take a little while to come, to be honest. It took about, I ordered this in June, so it is now like almost the end of August. So a good like 2.5 months, and some does take a little bit longer to come. Sometimes they get stuck in sort of postal issues or whatever, but they always do arrive. I've never had nothing that didn't arrive, and everything has always been really good, so I can vouch for them. But again, do look at the reviews when you look on the website. Again, I think I've mentioned this in my other video, it doesn't actually say Gucci. You have to kind of look at the pictures. They don't always show, they won't show the emblems because it's copyrighted. So you kind of have to look at the shape of the bag and then kind of look at the comments and sort of put two and two together to work out what you're actually buying. It can be a little bit risky, but obviously if the comments are good, then you know that you're going to get something good. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So that is another one of my brilliant buys from dhgate. Yeah, and I'm really happy. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time